Welcome to Beautyistic. If you're a fan of stunning, high-impact eye looks, then today's product may be just what you've been searching for. We're looking at Kiko Milano's Glitter Shower Eyeshadow in the shade Euro 7 Snow Queen. A product promising vibrant, full coverage with a touch of sparkle that could easily become your next go-to. So let's dive into the details. This eyeshadow comes in a powder form with a highly pigmented formula designed to deliver instant, full coverage. The real star of the show here is its reflective microparticles, which give the eyeshadow a multidimensional glow, perfect for creating that dazzling, almost wet look on your eyelids. The shade Snow Queen lives up to its name, offering a beautiful, icy finish that shimmers as it catches the light. When I first tried it, I was curious about how well the glitter would stick. I've used a lot of glitter eyeshadows before, and one of the common issues I run into is fallout, especially when the pigment isn't strong enough to stay in place. But with Kiko Milano's Glitter Shower, I was impressed by how smoothly it applied. It's definitely a product that delivers on its promise of full coverage, and that glitter-packed formula stays put once applied, with minimal fallout throughout the day. The texture itself is finely milled, so it doesn't feel gritty or heavy on the eyelids, which is often a concern with glitter formulas. It's easy to blend too, and can be built up for either a softer glow or a more intense, high-impact finish. But like with any product, there are a couple of things to consider. For one, because of the high level of pigmentation in glitter, I recommend using a primer or setting spray to help the product adhere even better and last longer, especially if you're planning to wear it all day or to a special event. Now, the fun part. How does it compare in terms of value for money? Kiko Milano is positioned as a mid-range brand, which means it offers quality without hitting you with a luxury price tag. The eyeshadow's performance, intense pigment, minimal fallout, and long-lasting wear justifies the price point. However, if you're on a tighter budget, there are some other glitter eyeshadows out there, like those from drugstore brands such as Maybelline or L'Oreal, that might offer a similar glittery effect, but at a lower price. But if you're looking for something that delivers top-tier results with a bit of luxury, Kiko Milano doesn't disappoint. The packaging is sleek and sturdy, and the pan holds enough product to last a while even with frequent use. But like most powder eyeshadows, make sure you handle it with care to avoid any crumbling or spilling. So would I recommend Kiko Milano Glitter Shower Eyeshadow? Absolutely. If you love bold, sparkling eyeshadow that doesn't require much effort to make a statement, this product will be a great addition to your makeup routine. But of course, I'd love to hear your thoughts. If you've used this product or have any other glitter eyeshadow recommendations, drop them in the comments below. And if you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you can stay up to date with all the latest reviews on Beautyistic. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.